Me will always be tight. Memory every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
B Squad, I am back with another video. I'm back with another video for you all to see. Anyway, I don't have nothing going on. As you can see, I'm at my mom's house. Yeah, she has all of the hoarding things. I don't know, but anyway, I am here today because it's Sunday and I want some tacos. Now, y'all might say, why you at your mama's house if you want some tacos? You got your own place. Well, I'm the only one that eat tacos. So, me and Cameron, ever since Naya's been gone, me and Cameron don't mix. We don't cook. So, I gotta come all the way to my mama's house and cook. You hear that? So, let me just show you what I'm cooking. I'm over here making, my bad. I'm over here making beef tacos. And then I have a little bit of chicken going on. And then I'm not gonna show you her right here. We have a little shrimp going on. So we have 3 different tacos going on up in here. Once I'm finished cooking all this, I'm gonna strain it out. Get all the little fat out of here. So, while I'm doing that, I'll take you on this little journey with me. Just that chicken for you. So, I'm sweating. My mom's kitchen is hot. Yes. So, me and Shanae, we're gonna work this out. I can't put her on camera yet, but when she get ready, I'll put her on camera. So, anyway, I'll come back. Look at all this sweat. It's hard work up in here. It's hot. We in California. It's hot. All right, beef squad. I'm going through it right now. With this heat. I'm getting this cheese grated. You know, I got my hot sauce and some taco soup. So we ready. We are ready, folks. We ready for this. But I gotta get this in order. All this. Gotta cool myself. Damn. I'm gonna start one of my mom's Dr. Peppers. Hopefully she don't watch the video. Because she ain't got no water. She got water on the door of her refrigerator, but it tastes funny.
Oh no.
It tastes funny. So anyway, y'all, I know y'all missing Naya because she got the skills on the camera. I told her.
I know y'all. I know you. It's okay. Say hi to. Say hi, Faye. Oh my. Yeah, I'm about to post this on YouTube. I know y'all miss me. It's okay though. I'm waiting for somebody to say it. But yeah, let me continue with other things.
Told y'all the other time, I don't have this camera skills that she have. I'm sorry. Bear with me. I'm trying to get her to upload more while she's out there in school because it's some interesting stuff that she sees. So, good stuff, but interesting. Anyway, I will be back with another update of this food. Alright, B Squad. Chicken.
Mama, move the camera over
her stove.
so they can see what you doing. Jesus.
Oh my God. Okay, B Squad, look. I took out some of this chicken. Yeah. I'm about to shred it up. And once I shred it up, in effect, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm almost getting there. This is some hard work, but I'm getting there. Starting to shred it up. I'm getting there. Alright, B Squad. This is the finished results. This is the shrimp. For the shrimp tacos. Okay. We have the chicken. Move that out the way. This was some leftover chicken right here. I'm at my mom's house. Don't judge me. I don't know where her tops are. And then we have the beef. So, food is ready. Make some of these shells. Get it cracking. I'm done. Anyway. Hey, B Squad. Look at the sweet in the building. Say hi, sweetie. Hi. Jason A over there. You can put her on camera now because she good. We still can't put Brandon on, but say hey, Uncle Brandon. Whatever. He's trying to watch the championship game, but I need him to go over there and make them taco shells. Hey B Squad, I'm back. It's the end of the night, and I want to close out this video. We're done with the tacos. We ate the tacos. They were good tacos. I didn't try the shrimp ones. I didn't want shrimp. I just wanted chicken and beef, but they were good. So all I'm asking you to do right now is like this video, comment on the video, let me know what you guys want to see, what y'all like or whatever. Don't judge me. Share the video, all of that, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help us out here, because we over here about to get it done, baby. Good night.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something.